guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relay for the windshield wipers is located, which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap relays and fuses. That way you do not waste your money. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, we will explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in once. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the windshield wipers relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV, guys. You have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in one of them, and that fuse box is right under the hood. Luckily enough, it's easy to access. That's your engine, car battery. That's the fuse box right here. All you have to do at that point, guys, open that cover. Once you open it, you will see a fuse box layout that will look like that. This will be the front of your Honda CRV. This will be towards the windshield side. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you look around, guys, if you look anywhere, okay, you have multiple relays, but none of them says windshield wipers. You have 6 relays inside the car as well in a different fuse box right here, but you don't have wipers relays. So where that relay is located, guys, if you notice, you have one big box here. That's a multi-purpose computerized relay. That relay right here, one of the functions is for the windshield wipers right here. It's integrated in that thing, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.